In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's MAX 24-inch starter kit. This installation applies for all starter kit color options: white, blue, red, and green. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Grab the 12-volt plug adapter and insert into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet. Based on where you'd like to mount your starter kit, you may need to use an extension kit. With Alpena's Install Kit EasyLink, you have two 12-inch extensions that can allow for longer reach on your wire length. In some cases, you may need multiple kits, so plan ahead. Plan where you'd like to mount the LED strips. Use a mix of soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. For added measure, also use rubbing alcohol. Be sure to avoid using acetone cleaning products as they can potentially damage plastic parts and leave residue. When the surface is dry from cleaning, peel off the 3M stripping from the LED strips. Place the exposed 3M tape onto the surface and press firmly on the strips. Now connect your 12-volt adapter or EasyLink extension kit to the LED strip. Now repeat the cleaning and mounting process for the opposite footwell area. Press the red button on the 12-volt adapter to turn on the LED strips. Now your MAX starter kit is ready for use.